So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then once you're on this, you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. Now you want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Tools and then click on Check and then click on Scan Drive. You now want to scan your drive. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been completed, for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space/f space/r and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. Now it's going to run this checking. You're going to wait for this to be fully completed. Once it's been fully completed, it will then take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.